Hello and welcome to Afro Politics. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and you turn on the notification button for more information from African politics, economy and cultural review. In the banks of the Zambezi, the giant Zambezi River, between the nations of Zambia and Botswana, the Kazungula Mega Project and the flagship of the SADC has been born. The Kazungula Bridge is the 923-meter long bridge which is incorporated with the road services and the railway and the future railway project that will be built. The Kazungula Bridge is the mega project as those in Tanzania of the standard gauge railway project that is aimed at integrating the northern corridor, and that will integrate the Tanzania port to Rwanda, Burundi and the DR Congo. And so the Kazungula Bridge is aimed at integrating the northern and southern corridor that integrates the countries of Mozambique, Tanzania, Malawi, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Botswana, South Africa and Eswatini. The Kazungula Bridge is the mega project that is aimed at reducing the freight time crossing the Zambezi River and the passenger checking time in the border between Zambia and Botswana, and will ensure that the passage of transit and passengers will be effective and will take a short time, that will ensure that the ease of doing business across the SADC region. Also, the Kazungula Bridge is the one that is aimed at integrating these countries and facilitating business between the countries in the SADC region. As you know that the Sub Saharan region is one of the regions having the large number of population, and with large number of population you expect the availability of market, and so the movement of goods and movement of people is the key component in making sure that the sub-Saharan region is moving economically and transforming the lives of the people in the region. The Kazungula Bridge also is one of the key components in putting the African continental free trade area into practicality. And we do believe that the African free continental free trade area is the right movement that has been taken by the AU and the African countries, that facilitating business between countries in the continent. And because the Zambezi River is one of the giant rivers in the continent, and ferries and pontoons would not have been the right way of doing business across this river and across the two countries of Zambia and Botswana. So the Kazungula Bridge is the key solution into integrating the countries in the SADC and facilitating business between countries in the continent and in the region. Also, the Kazungula Bridge is the futuristic project that is aimed at integrating the railway system in the future, and also the railway project, the railway system has been integrated in the river. So the river will be providing a railway system, runway, and also the road system for trucks and pedestrians. So the project is futuristic and is aiming not solving the current problem, but is aiming at solving the future problem and solving and facilitating the accessibility in the future. So the project also is presumed to bring another project, the railroad project between Zambia and Botswana. So it's such a blessing project. It's such a project that is aiming 5 to 10 to 15 and 25 years to come, and that will be used in those years according to the needs and the demands of the time to come. So it's one of the time traveling projects, and we are sure that the project will see the maximum fruition of what has been aimed of bringing the profit to the countries of Zambia and bring to the revenue to the countries, to both countries. And from its initiation in 2012 and conducting and starting the construction in 2014, and in 2021 the inauguration of the bridge has been done, and we hope that the project will bring much of the advantage into the region. And we are sure that the SADC, as one of the region having more of natural resources, having the fertile soil, having giant rivers, so there must be much of exploration and integration of the countries to ensure the doing of business inter-regional wise and the intra-continental wise, and ensuring these countries in the SADC region involve fully in doing business between themselves, among each other, and making sure that the circulation of the carriers is the key part into development. So we should not rely on imported goods from China, from Europe, and from the America. We should make sure that the available resources and the available raw materials between these countries is circulating and ensuring the flow of income and making the business as a key component of integration and friendship between these countries. Also, with the ongoing construction of the standard gauge railway in Tanzania, that was 160 km/h speed and fully electric run, that is aimed at integrating the northern corridor, and other projects that are going in the pipeline in neighboring countries, and the Angola Tanzania railway project that is still in the pipeline. All these projects that if will be constructed and completed on time, we are sure that the African Continental Free Trade Area will be put into maximum effect, and will see the immense rise of the African continent economically and the integration of the people of Africa. And it's quite a move that Africans do expect it from the governments of Africa. That's it from Afropolitics. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and you turn on the notification button for more information from African